Hey, Sean, what do you have?
A potato head.
Putting it together, show Daddy.
Yeah.
Sean wanted to show you his potato head.
It's all fixed.
Did we make it?
Yeah.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
What else did you do today?
Play with my potato head.
What else?
I play with this.
Oh. Okay. Did you go to the store?
No.
That's where you got the potato head, huh?
Yeah.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
See you later.
See you later.